Welcome to Bike Review Pro, where passion meets performance on two wheels. In today's deep dive comparison, we're putting two major contenders in the midweight adventure segment head-to-head, the 2025 Honda Africa Twin 650 and the 2025 Ducati Cagiva. Both are new for this year, both promise thrilling off-road capability and road comfort, and both carry the legacy of adventure legends. But which bike deserves a spot in your garage? Let's break it down. Design and styling. Honda's Africa Twin 650 is a scaled-down version of its bigger sibling, carrying the same rally-inspired DNA. The design is purposeful, minimalist bodywork, integrated LED lighting, and a pronounced beak give it a rugged identity. Honda sticks with function-first styling, but it's not short on visual appeal. Ducati's Cagiva, on the other hand, brings a bold, Italian aesthetic to the ADV segment. Drawing from the classic Cagiva elephant lineage, this model is aggressive and sleek, with sculpted panels, a high-mounted exhaust, and a unique LED signature that screams premium. It turns heads on the trail and in town. While Honda wins for utilitarian charm, Ducati grabs points for sheer visual aggression. Which you prefer depends on whether you lean toward classic adventure or Italian performance flair. Ergonomics and comfort. The Africa Twin 650 is built with long-distance comfort in mind. A wide seat, neutral riding position, and adjustable windscreen make it ideal for touring. The narrow frame aids stand-up riding off-road, and Honda offers optional low-seat versions to accommodate shorter riders. Ducati's Cagiva takes a more sporty approach. The cockpit feels tighter, and the handlebar seat foot peg triangle is clearly tuned for spirited riding. However, it still offers a commendable level of comfort for highway miles and weekend touring. Seat padding is firmer, but ergonomically sound. Both bikes are excellent in terms of overall rider comfort, but the Africa Twin edges out if your adventure plans involve more saddle time and technical terrain. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Africa Twin 650 is a newly developed 655 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine producing around 70 horsepower and 47 pound-foot of torque. It's tuned for tractable power across the rev range, ideal for off-road use and smooth cruising. Honda has optimized the bike with ride-by-wire, multiple ride modes, and a slick 6-speed transmission. Ducati equips the Cagiva with a 660 cubic centimeters L-twin, borrowed and modified from their Scrambler line. Expect sharper throttle response, a higher redline, and close to 80 horsepower. It's more spirited on pavement, and while not as torque-heavy down low as the Honda, it's more exciting in the mid to top range. Off-road, the Africa Twin's linear power gives it the edge, while Ducati's rev-happy twin dominates on asphalt. It's a clear philosophical difference, gravel versus twistis. Suspension and handling. Honda stays true to its adventure roots with long travel Showa suspension, offering full adjustability and nearly 9 inches of front travel. It's made for rocky trails, water crossings, and everything in between. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheel combo is off-road focused, with tubeless options available. Ducati's Cagiva features Marzocchi suspension components, slightly stiffer but still competent off-road. It favors on-road stability and quick cornering with a 19-inch front and 17-inch rear setup. It'll tackle gravel and fire roads but isn't as happy on technical terrain as the Africa Twin. If trail performance is your priority, Honda wins. If your riding mix is 70% pavement, 30% dirt, the Ducati's road manners give it an advantage. Technology and electronics. Both bikes come loaded with rider aids. Honda offers a new TFT touchscreen with smartphone integration, traction control, cornering ABS, engine braking control, and multiple ride modes including gravel and urban. Cruise control and heated grips are optional. Ducati doesn't hold back either. The Cagiva gets a 5-inch TFT with Bluetooth, cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, and even quick-shifter options in higher trims. Ride modes include touring, sport, and enduro. Ducati has clearly invested in tech that enhances both performance and safety. While both bikes are well-equipped, Ducati's electronics package feels more refined and performance-focused. Honda offers a more utilitarian set of tools for real-world adventuring. Weight and fuel economy. The Africa Twin 650 weighs around 430 pounds wet, making it lighter than its 1,100 cubic centimeters big brother by over 60 pounds. Fuel economy is respectable, averaging 55 miles per gallon in mixed riding. The 5-gallon tank provides excellent range, critical for remote adventures. Ducati's Cagiva comes in at 445 pounds wet, slightly heavier but still agile. Fuel economy is closer to 50 miles per gallon, with a 4.5-gallon tank. It's efficient, but clearly leans toward performance over distance. If long-haul efficiency matters, the Honda is better equipped for the job. Ducati makes up for it in performance per pound. Price and value. Honda has priced the Africa Twin 650 competitively, starting at around $9,900. It's an affordable entry into serious ADV riding, especially with Honda's renowned reliability and low maintenance costs. Ducati positions the Cagiva higher, starting near $11,499. With that comes premium fit and finish, top-shelf components, and strong brand appeal, but also higher service costs and insurance premiums. If you're value-conscious, the Africa Twin 650 is the clear winner. Ducati's offering is aimed at those who want a more premium experience and don't mind paying extra for style and speed. Both the 2025 Honda Africa Twin 650 and the 2025 Ducati Cagiva bring serious heat to the midweight adventure segment, but they serve slightly different riders. The Africa Twin 650 is the better choice for those prioritizing off-road performance, long-distance comfort, and a proven platform at an accessible price. It's a true adventure bike with serious versatility. The Ducati Cagiva, meanwhile, caters to riders who want aggressive design, sportier road performance, and advanced tech in a package that still holds its own off pavement. No matter which you choose, you're getting a highly capable machine. But in the end, it comes down to one thing: where do you ride more, the dirt or the road? Thanks for tuning in to Bike Review Pro. If you enjoyed this comparison, hit that like button, subscribe for more expert motorcycle reviews, and let us know in the comments, which bike would you choose, the Africa Twin 650 or the Ducati Cagiva? Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.